You need to get on your shit. I remember he was in a punk band, so get over it. That boy listens to fucking gangster rap, and that's all there is to it. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's an awkward thing at a hip-hop show sometimes where the MC tells you to put your hand in the air and go like this. And everyone feels like the white people on Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I just feel kind of silly doing that. But ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful burlesque dancer taught me, don't tell them to go like this, wave them like they just don't care. Tell them to fucking put their hand in the air and smack the ass of the giant. And I'm like, Melody, you're fucking damn right, that's fucking much cool. So everyone get their hand in the air like this. Come on, everybody. All right, B-Dot, let's fucking do this shit. All right, my brother band, turn it up. Everybody slap the ass of the giant. Slap the ass of the giant. Come on, come on. Here's my good deal. I drop a piano on your head and show you why Lou Reed has street cred. I stop soft rock cause it's just getting softer. I'm in the dark listening to Dylan Mark Muffler. Come on people, I'm in Calgary. You can't fuck with me cause this is Weed Marie Muhammad Ali poetry. Slap the ass of the monkey or slap the ass of the giant. I'm gonna be defiant right here and now. I make this fucking sweaty like a fucking powwow. Bow wow, holy fuck and holy cow. This is the last night of the opera in the city. Here we come, I don't want no pity. I want you to rock and gritty. We're a badass motherfucking band. Right now we're gonna travel the land. We're in the underground. We're gonna make the sound of thunder. Don't ever wonder, kid, I play harmonica like Stevie Wonder. Boom bop, zip lop, tip top. I'm showing cowtails and motherfucking hip hop. You best believe you can fly, and you're too legit to quit. Ladies, fellas, ladies, fellas, ladies, come on, fellas, ladies, fellas, ladies, fellas, and ladies and gentlemen, I gotta say this one thing. If you like the show tonight, I want to convince my publisher that putting on a show like this can still sell books. Fuck poetry readings. Come talk to me after the show. And you best believe you can fly. And we are all too legit to quit, baby. For the hell of ladies, fellas, ladies, come on. All right, everybody move back a little bit. Everyone move back. Give it up for these two burlesque dancers one more time. Come on, come on, come on. Hey. I want to hear you out there. Come on. Some of the best songwriters of my generation not get played on a radio station. They're playing house concerts in their socks. That's where my harmonica finger bangs and beatbox. My friends, if you got dreams, always keep a grip.